All right, let's do this. So generative AI has become a strategic differentiator and a lever for innovation and competitiveness. My name is Vishnu Veerubhotla. I head solution engineering at Wipro. Wipro helps clients realize their bold ambitions by building innovative solutions with a deep commitment to their success. Gemini CLI signals the beginning of a new era in engineering where we move beyond passive assistance to dynamic agents that carry out tasks, not just suggest them. One of the main business challenges that motivated us to explore generative AI for our engineers is around, if you look at traditional software engineering lifecycles, they are time intensive and they're error prone. Engineers spend significant effort on repetitive tasks and context switching, which is a productivity killer. Gemini CLI turns the terminal into an AI-powered workspace that understands intent, automates tasks, and removes friction from coding. So when you ask Gemini CLI to tackle something tricky, like fix this defect, it doesn't just dive in and start coding. First, it takes a step back and plans. In the planning phase, it reads the defect report. It checks the code across multiple files. It looks at the error trace. It figures out the best fix strategy, and then it picks the right tool for the job. Upon the developer's approval, it runs the chosen tool with the right settings. It reads files. It executes shell commands, searches the web, and finally writes the code to fix the issue. Having Gemini CLI extensions helps us standardize best practices, improves reuse across the organization, and it helps us scale automation. The best practices, we are able to share them with teams across the enterprise. So that's going to help us scale the automations across the board. By improving automation, we can improve change failure rate, time to market, and the frequency of changes to production. With Code Assist and Gemini CLI, we have seen productivity improvement in the range of 25 to 30% for custom applications, translating to about 18 to 20% in cost savings, while reducing the defect leakage to production by about 35 to 40%. The benefits that we have seen using tools like Gemini CLI and Code Assist are phenomenal. So it's important to take that leap of faith and implement. We need secure tools so that we deliver secure solutions, because security and compliance are of paramount importance to our clients. That helps develop trust, which is critical in enterprise environments. Leveraging Gemini CLI as part of the open source framework helps with that overall security and compliance related aspects. Open source means every line of code is visible, so we can audit for security, compliance, and quality. This improves transparency and trust, which is critical for enterprise environments. We prioritize solutions that are innovative, disruptive, and aligned with emerging trends like AI, automation, and cloud-native architectures. So that's the reason why we explored solutions like Gemini CLI. With Gemini Code Assist and Gemini CLI, Wipro is building the new way to help our clients realize their boldest ambitions.